What's up, guys? Andy here. And last night, or early this morning, last night, whatever you want to consider it, about 4 in the morning, 4:30 in the morning roughly, my wife and I were woken up to the sound of incredibly loud winds and torrential downpouring. So, and honestly, it sounded like I've never been in a tornado or a hurricane. But that's almost what I would think it would sound like. Like, it was just so loud. And so lots of things blowing away, getting knocked over. Our grill got knocked over out back. I haven't had a chance to go out and check it out, but we're gonna get ready to go out and see if it's damaged. It blew over and landed on a water table that we have out there for the kids. So I'm hoping it didn't get bent or anything like that with the metal, but we'll go out and check it out. Alright guys, so luckily it doesn't look like there's any dents or anything like that on the grill. The front, the hood is looking pretty nice, so no damage there. Looks like it just kind of fell apart on the inside. There's like scrubbers coming off of that, so I'm gonna have to buy probably a new scrubber at some point, but let's have to take this off, replace the grill plates. I did notice that some of the frame is getting a little loose back here. Not sure where it is right now. Yeah, right here. That's really loose, so I'm gonna have to get some screwdrivers and fix that up. Just double check maybe that everything else is okay. This thing's fallen over a couple different times for us. So alright guys, our trampoline got into a fight with the wind and lost big time. You can see like the supports are bent up, completely destroyed. Normally we have it sitting out here with the sandbags. We had 50-pound sandbags on each one of the feet, and it blew from here all the way over down into the start of that ditch the other day. So I had to drag it the whole way back up here, completely bent up and destroyed. So unfortunately our renter's insurance is like a $500 deductible, so we're gonna have to just buy a whole brand new one at some point. But yeah, definitely not fun. Alright guys, so it's been probably about 2 weeks since the filming of the rest of the video. I'm going to show you something that has some kind of a silver lining, some good news coming out of the damage we had. Alright guys, so as you can see, the trampoline is back up. This is not where it's going to end up, but part of why it blew away, I've got a picture of it. I don't think I ever got a video, but the metal here had completely like split open. So we put some foam on it, put some duct tape around it, and then you can't see it from here, but my father-in-law screwed a hole through the frame, and we put a bolt in there to kind of reinforce it and keep it together. We've got another one over on this side here, so you can see this is two pieces just kind of fit together, and then the tension from the mat kind of holds everything in place. But so just wanted to reinforce it since it already broke apart. So we've got one there, and we're gonna go around. He ran out of bolts, so we're gonna have to get some more. But we put the mat back on. We had taken it off for the winter to keep the snow from weighing it down, but that seemed to kind of loosen up the frame because the mat being on there has all that tension and kind of holds the frame together better. So we put the mat back on. Seems like it's holding up. It feels really, really sturdy. This part of the frame and then the legs even are actually in good condition. They weren't really bent up. The worst was these poles here. So you can see that's bent up, and they're all really loose. I can shake these really easily. So we're gonna tighten those up, make sure that they look nice. But the good news is the trampoline is not a complete and total bust. So we should be able to get it back up for the kids to jump on again.
Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel and check out some of our other videos.